All right, simplify this expression. We'll write the answer as a reduced fraction, no problem. Okay. Now remember, just like we saw in the vocabulary, if we see a negative exponent, like we do right here with this negative 2 exponent, then it means that we're going to look at this more like a fraction. So this is really 3 to the power of negative 2 over 1. And we're going to reciprocate that fraction. So now, instead of the 1 being in the denominator, it's in the numerator. And the 3 to the power of negative 2 switches and goes to the denominator, but when it does, it changes the exponent from a negative to a positive. And by the way, if we wanted to change this back so that the 3 to the power of 2 went into the numerator, it would just change it from a positive to a negative. So it changes the sign of the exponent whenever it crosses that fraction line like that. Now we want to evaluate this though, so I'm going to keep this as a fraction. I don't need to evaluate the 1, but I do need to evaluate 3 to the power of 2, which is just 3 times 3, and that would give us 9. So we end up with 1/9 as the final reduced fraction from this expression 3 to the power of negative 2.